Hello friends, I Ashutosh Saxena and with me Aman Ramesh sir is here. We are going to launch the second batch for Vision 2021. Sir, because of the students' overwhelming response we have received for the first batch, let me tell you, we did not expected this much number, but the students' response is very good. So we have planned to launch a second batch in this series of Vision 2021. What is your say, sir?
Yeah, I'm also happy to tell you all guys that we are going for a second batch. Before that, from my side, welcome you all to the session. And we are very much happy and delighted to announce that the batch 2 is there on the demand of the students, as sir is also telling you that there is a very good response for batch 1. Yes, we expected this in other way, like the numbers we didn't expect this much, but the quality of questions, the quality of classes we held, the quality of material we have given for the earlier batches for rank up and others, and in vision course also. Yes, this is proving that students are trusting us. So we have now more responsibility on us.
Definitely, sir.
So let's see how many of the students are joining. So it takes some time to the students to join. By the time, let us discuss how this batch is helpful and what this vision course is. So most of the students already knowing it, but please tell us from your side that what a student need to plan now, because recently there is GATE exam is also over, response sheet is also there. Students must be knowing by this time whether they are scoring better or not. ESE result also today out, just before our session.
Yes, sir.
So now what a student has to do, what he has to decide.
Now, I think, sir, there are going to be two categories of students. One category of students are those students which are very confident about their final result in the merit. They are going to have their names. So those students, we are congratulating them for their success, for their efforts. But the second category of students comprises two types of students. Those students who are going to prepare or appear for the examination for the first time. And the second category of students are those students who have put some effort, maybe in not a proper direction, but they are on the margins or they are not final in the merit list.
Maybe their goal is to crack the GATE exam, but this time they must have not done well.
Yes,
maybe
sir.
Looking for next year. Yes.
They just need one more opportunity, I think. Yeah. So for that purpose, we are aiming the students which are going to write the examination in 2021, both GATE and engineering services examinations. We are planning this course in such a way, in a dedicated manner, that the study plan is going to help you to regularize your study and focus on the examination from the very minute details we are going to cover together in this particular session.
Yes. So I welcome you all the students, and if you have any questions related what strategy to be followed and what to do for a better settlement after your engineering, if you are in third year or if you are in second year, what your strategy should be, how you have to plan for it, or if you are a repeater or a dropper and if you want to improve your performance in the next exams, then you can ask anything you want to related this strategy or which exam to go for. It is not only talking about ESE and GATE. You can ask us any question related to your career, which is the better option, what to do, what not to do, those things. Okay, right, guys, let us move on forward about this course. This is a course we are talking about, Vision 2021 for EC students and electrical students. Already one batch is done, and now we are going for the second batch. This is the batch 2. So let's see now what this vision course is, or why this vision course is. But before that, I think it is better to know a few more details about our career, what has to be planned, how it is to be planned. This is what I am saying here. Why Vision 2021? If you want to go for this course, why we have to go for it, what you are going to get out of this. Yeah, one student is asking a question, sir. Can you please
Repute Mass, I think name is misnomer. He is saying, sir, I am in third year, how to enhance our core subject knowledge. Now, dear, please listen to me very carefully. The Vision 2021, we are planning for you, your type of students who are not having enough time to go for offline classes. They may be living in the remote areas. They may be having some suppose they are doing the job or they are in the college going students. So for those people, we are planning this course in such a way that you can maximum utilize your time along with your studies or your job, and you can go with your preparation in a smooth manner. That is how we are planning this particular course.
Okay, Gautam, I hope you got your answer. But nice screen name, Repute Maths. That's
Okay.
good. So as the name suggests, why this course is named as Vision 2021. As the name suggests, if you want to do what you want to do after engineering must be planned when you are in third year itself. Or if you are planning, like I have seen some students that if there is a notification now or if there is an exam announcement after 1 month, people are starting realizing and then they're starting their preparation.
Yes, sir.
They are in a hurry for 1 month, maybe not up to the levels for this examination. So instead what we are suggesting is you have to have your vision, your own vision you have to have. I'm not suggesting all should go for ESE exam or all should go for GATE. You have to have your own vision. That is why here we are telling you that what is your vision. If your goal is to go for ESE, you have to start your preparation now. Or if your goal is to go for GATE, you should think about this GATE from now onwards. At least 10 months strategy you have to crack it efficiently. Otherwise, last moment hurry will not be helpful for you to get a better result. If not this, maybe some other exam, maybe some other PSU, or maybe IIT, MTech, you want to go for higher studies in IITs. If you want to go for MTech, then also you have to have a vision, you have to have a plan. What should I do for that? Okay. So anything more about this, what the strategy or how this 10 months strategy has to be for the students?
So one very important thing I want to share with the students, see the GATE and ESE, these two exams occur once in your year and they are going to be the most prestigious technical exams in this country, that is India, for obviously.
Yes.
Now these two exams, they do not require just 1 month or 2 months unmanaged or you can say improper preparation. They require at least 10 months, as sir has already told, a channelized preparation with a perfect strategy. That is what these two exams needed. Now my friend, let me tell you, I have seen lot of my students who are putting only 20% and 30% of their efforts and they keep preparing for 3-4 years. Our idea is that you go with your 100% effort from your side. We will go from 100% effort from our side and let us make it an ambition or the goal that we are going to crack 2021 within our first attempt only. I think we can crack it. I hope it is clear for all the candidates.
Yes guys, why we always speak about ESE and GATE? You may have a question that we always talk about ESE and GATE. What we believe, or what I personally believe is, if you are up to these two exams, up to the level of these exams, if you prepare for this exam as per the syllabus and the quality of the questions, and if you prepare for the GATE exam level, I don't think any other exam is difficult for you. So any other exam, let it be ISRO, let it be BARC, let it be NTPC or any other exam, any other notification comes, or maybe state level of exams also, definitely will be a subset of this and this only. Here maximum syllabus will be covered but not too difficult questions, but here syllabus is limited but you will go for depth of the subject also. So the combination of these two will give you the success maybe in ESE or maybe in GATE or maybe in both or maybe in some other exam also. That's why always we suggest to prepare for these both, and this course is also designed for this only. So this course, if you can attend or if you can follow these lectures, this helps you cracking any exam. That is the beauty.
Sir, Gautam is asking again very important question. He is saying, sir, how to start my preparation, because I think I will start today, but when I want to start, then I think when subject I do first. Now, Mr. Gautam, please try to understand. We are going to release the study plan for this particular course, so you can preemptively see what are the subjects, what are the topics, when they are going to be covered, so that you prepare yourself for these classes and you get the maximum benefit out of these classes. That is how we are planning this course. So don't worry about planning, because most of your planning we are doing from our end. You just have to be in pace with our courses so that you can get the maximum marks in your exams.
Yeah, Kumar is having a question. Why Vision 2021 ME is not available in the site or app from couple of days? Kumar, it's not like that. It is available.
It is
So
available.
maybe you have some technical issues or internet issues or something like that. Please check from your side, because from our side the course has not been dropped. Once we announce the course, it is done definitely. Till the completion of the course will be carried out. So no dropping of the batch anytime. So you have to check from your side or write to customer care support team of Gradeup. If any difficulty is there from our side, they'll help you.
There are some candidates here also, sir.
Narendra, Revant, and yeah, others. Please.
Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, guys. If you have any question, you can ask us. Then, by the time you have your questions, please ask your questions, whatever is there. By the time we get some questions more, I have one more question. Is yes, if you have your goal, if you have your vision that maybe GATE or ESE or some other, then what you need to do, what you have to do, how you can achieve. So for that, first thing required is a better strategy, better plan is required. That's what in Gradeup terminology we call it as study plan. So perfect plan to start from day one to the last day. What are all the things you must have to do will be planned in advance, and you will be knowing what you are going to do throughout this period. So if you can strictly follow that, damn sure you can clear any exam. That's what the speciality of Gradeup course, any course in the Gradeup. Okay.
Now there is one candidate, Mr. Jayant Kaleri. He is asking, sir, will you give any material also? Yes, Mr. Kaleri, we are providing everything because we are going for a course. So that course is going to be comprehensive in all manners. We will be giving you the study material. We will be giving you the daily quizzes. We will be giving you the test series. We will be giving you the mock tests. Lot of things are there, and we are planning this course in such a way so that there is no loophole in your preparation, and your preparation is almost perfect.
Yes, perfect.
So don't worry about the material.
Yes, yes, many of you are having some questions about what is there in the course, and as I just told you, there is a study plan which is sufficient to follow to crack any exam we set. What we deal in this study plan, how the study plan and all, let us see in this vision course. First, let me start with electronics. Why Gradeup? In Gradeup, there is a course Vision 2021 to crack ESE and GATE. Then why we need to take this course? What is there inside? Let us have a look on this clearly. What are all the options? What Gradeup is specially? See, there is a lot of difference between just watching the lectures and apart from lectures, what else is there? If it is just lectures, we can follow YouTube also. We can follow recorded lectures also of many platforms available. But what is special about Gradeup is this. Let me show.
Yes, sir.
Compared to any other platform, we can say that Gradeup is far better in supporting the students. Let us see what is special in Gradeup. I am directing this directly to the Gradeup landing page of this course. You can also go through this gradeup.co, and then you can go to the courses and you can select your branch of engineering. There you can see all the courses available. This is one of the courses available, which is Vision 2021. So let me speak few things about this Vision 2021. This is a course for ESE and GATE. What you are getting out of this? We will be giving you 600 plus hours. 600 plus hours of live classes. So there is a difference between any other platform and Gradeup platform, that we are dealing with live classes. What is the advantage of having live classes? You can have interaction with the faculty. Almost it is like a classroom. You can have any question asked. In fact, sir, I have been taking classes in Gradeup platform. So when I am taking classes also, it is almost like a classroom. Interaction is also happening. So there is a misopinion among the students.
I must interrupt you, and I must say that it is not simply interaction, it is overwhelming interaction from the student side, because in normal offline classes what happens, it is very difficult for a student to raise his voice and ask the questions.
Yes, because in front of 100 students or 150 questions, students may be hesitating to ask. But here it is very simple for them.
It is very easy. With the comfort of your home, you can directly channelize your doubts to the concerned faculty, and it is going to be cleared spontaneously at the same time.
Exactly. So that is the speciality of Gradeup. That's why I am highlighting this. Gradeup is only the platform which provides the live classes, online live classes. Second is not only the classes for GATE, the classes are for even ESE also. So we cover both the syllabuses. When we are talking about ESE, there is one paper called paper 1, non-technical paper. For that also we are covering the syllabus live classes. So this course includes both GATE as well as ESE syllabus of paper 1 and paper 2. And see, this is the most important thing. One is live classes. Second is, most important is, if you just attend the classes, is it sufficient? Maybe not. You have to test yourself regularly. So regularly we'll keep conducting the tests. After every chapter or after every class, you will be having a quiz so that you learn in the class something. Then you can read the content by seeing the PDFs. We'll provide the material also. So material is in the form of PDF. You can check for the PDFs. Detailed notes also will be given. You can learn something in the class. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the class. Then you can read the content in the material provided. And then if you are ready, you can write a test and you can check yourself whether you are up to the level or not. Suppose there are 10 questions in the quiz and you are scoring 8 marks out of that. That means you are up to the level. You can go to the next day class or next class. This is how you have to go for. That is why this is all structurally organized. That's quizzes, classes, then PDF, then quizzes, and then before the exam, subject wise and full length syllabus test also will be there. That is also required. Okay. You have any doubts on this, guys? If not, you all can come and start the free trial. You can see here, once you land here on this page, you can click on this start free trial. You can have the access for all the lectures happening in this batch 2 for some days, where you can experience how our interface is, how our faculty are teaching, how our interaction is helping you. Let us see what is there in the start free trial, sir.
Yes.
Suppose if I go for this, what I am going to get under this? Let's see the options available here. So if you start your free trial, these are the options you can see. Preview, study plan, contents, doubts, report card, mock test. Sir, I'll talk about this. Next, you please talk about this one after another. Both of us, let us speak on this. Let's give the clarity, because most of the students are not aware how to use our app also. So guys, these are the options available in the app as well as in the website also. Okay. Sir, by the time if you have any questions, please respond.
Definitely.
I will tell you about preview. What this preview is, we will be showing you how our interface is, and we will be showing you how our faculty are, and we will be covering some topics here which are going to be taken by the concerned faculty. Suppose I am taking analog circuits, I'll be showing you how I am going to deal with analog circuits and what I have done in earlier classes and how that is appearing in the last exam. Like for example, if I say I taught in other batches of GATE for GATE 2020. There are some similar questions appeared in the GATE. How I taught and how I am going to teach you also for this next exam. I'll be showing my subjects here. You can check the classes here in this. So like this, you can check the classes. Suppose if you want to see the class, you can see here, this is a live class. Of course, today it's not live. From tomorrow onwards, these are all live classes. And then there is another class. This is paper 2 analysis. You can see the title here. Like that, each and every class you can see, right? So this is the class. Now it is live, which you are watching live. This is the live class which you are watching already. Similarly, other classes also will be live from tomorrow onwards. Since already live class is going on, other analysis, GATE analysis, ESE paper analysis are available recorded for you. This is also another great feature, guys. If you miss any recorded classes, so it's okay. You can watch these lectures later also. If you miss any live classes, it's okay. You can watch the recorded version of these classes also till the GATE exam is over. Okay.
So the same question was asked by Miss Harshita. She was asking Vision 2021 के recorded class कब तक upload होंगे sir? So Miss Harshita, please try to understand, these videos are going to be available and you will be having access to these videos till your exam is over. So don't worry about this thing. Okay.
Yes, we suggest always you to attend the live classes always. Why? You can have interaction with the faculty. Instantly you can clear all your doubts. If you miss any class, then still it's not a problem. You can have your classes whenever you are free available. And if you have any questions related to that recorded classes, you can put always in the doubts part. You see here, there is a doubt section here. If you click on this and you can upload your question, whatever you have. related to the class or related to the question, whatever the doubt you have, you can put it here. Any question you upload here will be answered in 24 hours. This is what our specialty is. Any question you upload in the doubt session in the Vision 2021 course will be addressed within 24 hours. That is our specialty. Every doubt you can put it here. This is what the additional feature, or this is what the value addition for your course. I always tell you that it is not just attending the classes. Classes are many available in the market or in the online platform. There are many classes freely available. Then why you should pay for this? Because of this support. Without this support, I don't think it is that easy to crack any competitive exam. Meanwhile, if you get a doubt, how it is? Faculty support is required.
Obviously.
In offline also, it is not possible to have the clarity on the doubts even after the class. Once class is over, you are detached from the faculty. What if you get a doubt? Who is going to answer? So, but here we have 24 hours assurance for every doubt you answered. Fine?
So simply we can say that there are two types of doubts. One doubt which you will be having during the live classes, and the second category of doubts are those doubts which you will be having when you are not online, you are solving the questions or you are reading our study material. Those types of doubts you can channelize with this particular communication. Okay, so that is going to help you.
Yeah. This is what I am talking about, study plan. This is what the study plan tells you, a day-wise structure. So day 1 what you have to do, day 2 what you have to do, day 10, day 100, day 150. So every day task is divided, and if you just follow the task and complete the task, your job is done. That way we have simplified. We know generally, we observe from the students that everybody thinks that yes, I have to crack this. So let me plan some strategy. They'll plan it, but after 1 month they'll change it again.
Yes.
So this happens for everybody generally, but we are planning you. You just need to follow the plan. So if there is any mismatch in the strategy following, then of course Saturday, Sunday we don't have any class. So you can cope up in Saturday, Sundays. So that's why wantedly we are not keeping any class on Saturday, Sunday. So this is how we are doing it. You can check here, guys. Day 1 we are starting from 27th February. The actual syllabus will be starting from here. Day 1 means 27th February we are starting. That is the actual syllabus we are starting. Till that time we have the demo classes or free classes you can access. So every day you can check what the class is. Suppose if I go for this date, so this date there is a class of rectifiers at 7 p.m. and after the class you can have what type gate quiz, because this course is for GATE as well as ESE. So one quiz for GATE level, another quiz for ESE level. Similarly, there is another class on next day, day 5, 2nd March it is, date is 2nd March. So you have another class. What class it is? Analog circuit subject, diode circuit is the topic, regulators is the topic. So like that, each and every day you can check. You can directly go to which day you want to also, you can go. Day 69, you can say that this is the class. So generally students are having one doubt that when the syllabus will be completed, whether the syllabus is completed or not. Guys, you can clearly check here that when your syllabus is going to complete on 248 days, your syllabus will be completed. What is that day? You can check here, which date it is going to be completed. So 248th day, 31st October, your syllabus will be over. This is how we are assuring, and that is the specialty of Gradeup. After 31st, what you have to do? You may have a question that, sir, 31st syllabus ho raha hai. Then what is next after 31st? November and December is left. Jan is the ESE exam. What we need to do? Sir, you have, I think, better ideas what we can do.
See,
we strategically doing this, completing the syllabus by 31st.
So my suggestion is that once you are done with this course, after that you can attend your test, mock test very regularly, and you can judge your performance, and accordingly you can work upon what are the loopholes that you have to work before your actual exam is, so that you get a good score in your examinations.
Yes. We go for after this. It is not that we have completed everything and we are leaving you. After this also we'll have revision classes. Paper 1 for ESE classes also will be there, and practice sessions sir is telling you that daily quiz, mock tests and revision classes, doubt classes will be continuing till your exam. This is about study plan, guys. I think you all now understood what is study plan. If you want to see what is there overall, what about all contents, like table of contents in a textbook, you can see the contents also, and here subject wise you can see which subject you are dealing with. You can select in control systems what are the chapters, topics we have. Everything you can understand here also. From here also directly you can go to the particular class, Bodo plot class directly. When it is there also you can check. Sir, doubts, please say something about doubts.
So this is
Generally,
one of
whatever
the
doubts
yes sir,
student
this is one of the most important feature of the Gradeup app. As all the candidates you can see here, if you are having any doubt, suppose you are not live at that time, so you can channelize your doubt to the concerned faculty. It is going to be answered in the 24 hours.
24 hours.
That is our obligation from our side.
We have a strong backend team, technical team, and content team also, who can respond you within 24 hours. That is the beauty here. Nikhil is asking, sir, rank up course validity extension possible for another month? Nikhil, I am not the right person to decide on that. Please write it to support team. If possible, definitely they will help you on this. Otherwise, they will help you what benefits you can get for this batch if you are looking for long-term goals.
There is one candidate, Jayant Kaleri, is asking about the engineering services paper 1.
Yes, paper 1 is also covered under this, Jayant. I told you already in the study plan.
150 hours we have dedicated for that.
In the beginning also I've shown you technical syllabus will be covered by taking 600 hours roughly, or more than that, minimum we are saying. And then 150 hours or more than 150 hours, 150 to 200 hours maybe only for paper 1. So that is more than enough for paper 1. Arvind, crash course, yes, definitely will be there crash course, but crash course is not now. You know, now we are in the month of February. So this is not the time to talk on crash course. Crash course maybe just 3 months before the GATE exam or ESE exam. Sure, definitely we'll announce crash course at that time, not now. Now it's a long term. Long term goals are there, long term batches will be there. Okay. Yeah, one more important feature here is report card. See, once you write the exams, we are suggesting you to write the exams timely, right? On which day there is a class, after that there is an exam. We are suggesting you to write the exams. Once you write the exams, there is a report also generated showing your performance. How many marks you appear, how many marks you are scoring. Out of that, how many correct, how many are wrong, and where you are weak, where you are strong, which subjects you are weak in, which subjects you are strong in, and what's your performance compared to other students, whether you are achieving the distinction or not. All such details will be detailedly given to you. So you can also judge your performance, what to do, what not to do about the classes. This is another beautiful performance report feature available in Gradeup. Navya is asking how many classes per day, sir?
See, we'll be having 2 classes per day of 2 hours. So total 4 hours classes are going to be scheduled for each day.
Yeah.
That is Monday to Friday.
Yeah. Our classes are always from Monday to Friday. Wantedly, we are keeping our classes from Monday to Friday. Why we don't want to have the classes on Saturday, Sunday is, yes, Monday to Friday, some students may be going to college, some students may be working already, you are engaged with some other things. Monday to Friday, if you can attend our classes. Saturday, if at all anything is pending, you can work on Saturday, or you can write the exams. Pending exams are there, you can write it on Saturday. Sunday you can enjoy. Everybody have to have at least some relaxation time or free time for you. Personal time is required. So we are leaving Sunday because it's a long term batch. Suppose if you come to a crash course, then we don't leave you any day. We will take all 7 days. And this Monday to Friday, initially we start with 2 hours class. Every day it will be starting from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. And after one subject, it will be 2 classes. One class is at 7 p.m. Another class is at 9:30 p.m. 2 classes per day will be there of 2 hours duration. Each class is of 2 hours. Hope it is clear. If you go like this only, it is possible to complete the syllabus by 31st of October. So from then onwards, revision and other things will be there. Okay, Navya, fine it is. Sir, Shiva is having a question.
So he has lost his ESE admit card and he wants us to help him to check the prelims result now.
Okay, just now we had a session on ESE paper 1 result, stage 1 result. So there, if you can put your question in the comment section, maybe our team will respond to you. Jayant, will you suggest this course for long term? Yes, exactly. This batch is for long term goal students only. So we have 10 months time. If you follow exactly this is high chances of getting better performance in these exams. Last feature, guys, mock test it is. Well, you all know maybe already what is mock test. Just before 1 month of the exam, we always suggest to write the mock test. 1 month, if you can practice 10 mock tests, 11th exam will be the GATE exam or ESE exam. Will not be difficult at all because you are having the experience of writing 10 exams. After writing 10 similar exams, so 11th exam will not be a difficult exam. So that is what we have to do. And again, all India comparison, all India performance comparison also will be given in the mock test, like in the individual exams it is given. Okay?
Yes, Arvind, you can watch it on your mobile also. Through the Gradeup app, you can watch it, no problem.
Okay. So you have more questions? So this is about EC, and similarly for electrical. Electrical also exactly in the same way. You can also go to electrical landing page, going to gradeup.co and then selecting the courses, select your branch of engineering, electrical, and then you can start your free trial. Even electrical also similar it is. We'll have 600 hours of classes, live classes, that is most important. 150 hours of live classes for paper 1 of ESE, 750 hours of 750 plus quizzes, you know, daily quizzes, daily topic wise quiz, subject wise quiz, all together it is more than 750 exams. After writing these many exams for these many days, you will be damn sure perform well in the exams. Shall we start free trials, sir? Here also for electrical, let's see what the features for electrical also. Yes, here also you can go for preview, study plan, contents, doubts and all. Same thing. Whatever we explained are valid here also. You can put your doubts here, you can see the contents here, what are all there about the subjects. You can see the study plan, complete study plan for total number of hours. Devi Lal Pannu, maths faculty. Maths will be discussed by Rahul Kanyal sir. Already you must have seen some classes of Rahul Kanyal sir happening in the YouTube sessions. The same faculty will be taking you mathematics also. As net is not speed. Nowadays everybody is having 4G. Normal 4G is sufficient, I think, for these lectures to watch. If there is a problem with net, wherever you have Wi-Fi facility, these all lectures can be downloaded. You can download if there is a good internet facility, and then you can watch it again anytime, any number of times. That is also possible.
But it is always suggested, my dear friend Mr. Arvind, that you be present in the live class, because live class we are going to interact you like a student and teacher actually corresponds to each other, because you will be asking questions, the concerned faculty is going to answer those questions at the same time. It is not a time lag. So live classes are very, very important. It is going to give you a feel of live classes as it happens in the offline classes. So that is very important.
Yes, if you have more questions, guys, please ask us. Otherwise, I suggest you to think about your long-term goal. You always have to have a question that what I am after 1 year. You know, that 1 year time is always required to do something. It is not just thinking what I have to do. After deciding what you have to have some time to execute it. So today I decided that I want to become an IES officer. After 1 month it is difficult, right? Within 1 month it is difficult to become an IES officer. So for that you have to have some time for preparation, practice and all. That's why we are asking you to think about at least 1 year ahead.
So there is one more important point I wanted to add here. As you are saying, some of the students, they find difficulty because whether they decide for GATE and ESE or not. Now all of you please listen to me very carefully. Whenever you are planning a long-term goal, the long-term goal is going to give you lot of success and happiness, because small goals are not going to give you that much success and happiness in life. Because if you are planning for ESE, then definitely you have to go for a long-term ambition and you have to work accordingly. So this is very important time right now. The ESE prelims result is already out. GATE has already given its solution. So you may be having an idea where you are lying, whether in a positive half, negative half or on the border. So yes, right now you have to judge yourself and you have to project yourself for a definite professional career, so that in coming years you are completely settled with your profession.
That is perfect. I think that is the best suggestion from our side. Sachin is asking about scholarship, and some students are also asking about the fees and all. Guys, you can go for this details here. Gives you some scholarships and discounts for all those students who have already qualified for GATE exam in these years. If you have qualified, you can avail this 50% of the discount. And if you are from any colleges, if you are from IITs or NITs, you can avail this. Or if you have cleared this ESE paper 1 or stage 1 anytime, you can get this. And all government college students also, you can access this. And one of our students asking about extension of the batch. Guys, if that is not possible, you can avail some discounts here for all our earlier batch students. Okay. Come here, sir. Okay, guys, any more questions? Uma Kannan, sir, this 10 months preparation is enough to score 65 plus in GATE. Uma Kannan, if you are from EC, I'll say 65 plus is a good score and you can do this provided I'll put a condition. Yes, 65 is a very good score in EC to score, and it is possible to follow by following this course, provided the condition is you strictly follow the study plan. If you are following the study plan 95% as it is, sure, I can assure you that 65 plus marks are possible. If not, I cannot assure you.
Actually, sir, it is something which should be it should be from our side and it should be from your side also, because you should be having 100% attention to the classes, to the study plan, to the quizzes and mock test and everything. You have to be putting your 100% attention, and we'll be putting from our side 100% attention. Then it is going to be good results or great results.
Yes.
So it is from both the sides.
Revant, yes, Revant, 10 months of preparation is, in my opinion, it is sufficient, provided you should be honest and sincere in doing your work. Like, for example, there is a class you have to attend. After the class, you have to write a test, you have to write it. If you follow the plan like this exactly, it's not at all difficult to crack this. And Ashok is asking, average students possible, sir? Ashok, you know, if a student is already talented student or topper, nothing special in getting a rank, right? Suppose if an average student performs very well in any competitive exam, that is a real achievement, I believe. So it is not at all impossible for average students also. I have many examples with me of my students in my experience of this 17 years. The students who have 60% in BTech scored very well, and they are in IITs, they are in PSUs, they are in BITS, and they are in good companies like Qualcomm and all. There are many students like that. The students who have 5 backlogs, 6 backlogs in BTech, also after that 1 year they dedicated their preparation and then they performed well in GATE and ESE exams. There are many examples like that. So nothing is difficult, guys. If you are average student, below average student, doesn't matter. It matters always how sincere you are, how best you are putting your efforts.
So one more point I want to add to Mr. Ashok Reddy, because this is a common understanding of the students that they are average in their technical skills.
Yes.
So whether they should go for ESE or GATE or not. Now, my dear friends, all of you, please listen to me very carefully. Whenever you are going for an examination, you should not have any preconceived notions in your mind. Because the moment you start your preparation, you should always think what you are going to do in the coming years or the coming time you are going to do. What you have done till now is not going to help you anymore. It may be giving you some idea about the examination or your strengths.
Yes.
But what you are going to do now onwards is going to pay you the result at the end of the day. So don't have these kind of silly doubts that I am average student, whether I can crack GATE or not. Every student is a great potential. If it is being channelized in a better way, they can give very, very good results, I can tell you.
Yes. Akhil is asking, how can ask a doubt to particular sir personally when we in offline? There are 2 methods, guys. One is if you put the doubt in the doubt session, that if it is required to be answered by the faculty, that doubt will be reaching to the faculty only. Faculty will respond to you. Our faculty will share their official mail ID. you can contact directly to the faculty also. But it is better always to put in the doubt session so that other students also will know and they also get benefited out of it. Arvind Reddy, sir, your opinion about this year electrical paper. First, let me tell you my opinion, then sir is the right person to talk on electrical paper. Sir is from electrical. In my opinion, electrical paper, whatever it is, we should not bother about it because it is done is done. See, it is a matter of 5 questions or 6 questions which are in some discrepancy, or 2 questions or 3 questions depending on the branch. The thing is done already. Okay, if you are at the border, you should worry about it. If you are not at the border, forget about it and think what you have to do. If you keep on worrying about what about that paper and paper and paper, what are you going to get? Nothing. Instead, you worry about what I have to do next. That is what my opinion, guys. I don't bother about what the things already happened. I always bother about what I have to do next. This is what my psychology. Rest sir will talk about.
Now, Mr. Arvind, please listen to me. A lot of in social media and different e-learning platforms, lot of things are happening towards this year's GATE electrical paper. But let me tell you, my friend, very candidly, that GATE exam is one of the, you cannot say one of the, it is the most prestigious technical exam in our country. So there are some errors which may come time to time, so you should not be focusing on that. You should be focusing on the 95% or the 98% of the paper which you are going to solve it and you are going to get a good rank. That's it. You take the things as they come. You don't go in a wrong direction like what is the nature of the paper, because this is going to be a relative competition. Suppose the next year GATE exams comes easy. So what is going to happen? The cutoff is going to be very high. If the next year GATE examination is even more tougher than this year, so the cutoff is going to be lower side. You are going to get good rank in less number of marks. So these things are relative. These are not absolute in nature.
It's fine, you know, if 5 questions are wrong or 3 questions are wrong, 2 questions are wrong. What happens if they are really wrong? Let us assume that they are really wrong. So everybody will be added with the same marks, right?
Yes, sir.
Or everybody are not added with the marks. The questions will be deleted. So it is equal for everybody, right? Whatever is happening. So if I am attempting that question or doesn't attempt also doesn't make much difference. So if at all any difference is also there, 5 marks, 5 questions only. Rest 95 questions, 95% of the paper is fine only, no? So we should think on that lines, I always believe. Okay, Samruddhi, sir, I have question not related, it's related to IES Pre Result. You can ask Samruddhi anything, we are here to respond. Hariprakash, sir, if we miss the live class, then how to watch that class again?
Sir has already told this thing that there is a facility in the Gradeup app. If you have not attended the live class, you can download it later, and when you are offline, then also you can see it. So it is not necessary that you watch the video when you are online only. You can download it wherever you are getting the Wi-Fi facility, and you can watch it later when it is downloaded from your mobile or the laptop at the Gradeup app or the website. So it is possible.
Samruddhi, sometimes it happens. Maybe you will be knowing these details about cutoff and all soon. Let the official information come. So why the reason we also, because we are not the people to declare the results and all. So let's wait for that result also, because I have also not gone through the complete notification. Just only I came to know that result is out, but I have not gone through the complete details. We'll get back to you on this. Yes.
Sir, actually, I can answer this question by Mr. Soni. He is asking why the preliminary cutoff not declared with the result. Now, please try to understand the ESE exam is not limited up to the preliminary stage. It is actually a 3-stage exam. In the stage 1, the prelims exam is conducted. Stage 2, mains examination, conventional papers are conducted, and stage 3 is personality test. So till the complete process of the examination is over, they will not show you the cutoff marks, because there is going to be some changes when the final merit list come. So that is why they have not given the cutoff marks.
Yeah. ESE paper 1 general grade up class is enough, or we have to go for some books? Guys, as much as possible from our side, we'll give you the information and content maybe in terms of classes or quizzes or PDF. But yes, if it is required, yes, we have to refer some books also time to time. But we suggest you definitely what the books to be followed, what are the materials to be followed. Sure for it is. Okay.
Now, that one candidate, Gay Life, he is asking, sir, any course for ESE mains? I have qualified ESE prelims. So, a lot of congratulations, Mr. Gay Life, on your success. Now, right now, we are not in...
Yeah, we have.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Guys, congrats. What's your name? I don't know. Gray Life. Nice name. I congratulate you for getting selected for the next stage. Yes, Gradeup is planning to have some classes for stage 2, that too free of cost.
Okay.
So we'll be announcing this information maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, when the classes are going to happen and how we are going to do these classes and how it is beneficial for all the students who qualify this exam. We are doing it very sincerely with a lot of efforts by our faculty. And Hardik, yeah, good name Hardik. So Hardik, you please inform to other friends of you also that we are going to have some free classes for ESE stage 2 preparation. Yes, exactly how the paper will be conducted in stage 2, that way we are going to practice also. So we do that. Okay, we'll update you tomorrow or day after tomorrow about this. Okay guys, thank you very much. Sure, Hardik, we'll do that. Okay, but from our side, you keep on informing your friends, your juniors, your seniors who got selected for stage 2. So let everybody join here. We'll be doing very seriously this and with very good quality, so that it is useful for stage 2 to clear.
So the main idea behind what you are saying is that we are going to be meticulously involved with you with your preparation for the second stage, as sir is telling. And the most important feature is, through these tools, online tools, we are going to give you the direction in which you have to work for the final mains examination.
Right.
Sir, that copy checking also, because
yes.
that is very important.
So we will give you the paper, our practice paper. Roughly I'm telling you, tomorrow more details will tell you. We'll give you a paper exactly how it will be as in the stage 2 exam, conventional papers, and we'll give you 1 week time for that to write these questions. We will be designing the questions exact simulation as in the final stage 2 exam, and you will be given 7 days time. Within these 7 days they have to give their answers. You can upload those questions to our platform, and then we will evaluate those papers and we'll suggest how to write, what to write, and we'll take some classes also on those topics to make you perfect in those things. Okay guys, so that is how the basic idea of we are doing it. More details will be updating you soon.
So thank you so much all the candidates for your presence in this platform. Now let us start your preparation with this Vision 2021 second batch. We are going to do a lot of interesting things related to your preparation. If you join us, definitely this journey is going to be very interesting and you will be getting good results.
Thank you guys. Thanks for attending. So let's see again in our live class. Maybe tomorrow if there is a live class, let's meet again there in the live class. Till then, prep smart, score better,
Go Gradeup.
go Gradeup.